Right, guys, so we're in a GMC Yukon, and if you're trying to add a wireless charging pad to a vehicle that doesn't have it, you first of all need to verify that you're underneath your panel looks exactly like this. If it's totally smooth, it won't work, and our kit's only designed for bucket seats. This panel will pop off and allow you to run the harness through here. And onto the back side, you're going to want to take that pocket out, and you got 4 T15 screws here. It's going to allow this to pop off. So this is something extra we installed. Don't pay any attention to that, but this is the factory wireless charging harness. It's going to come through here. Your vehicle won't have this plug, so our harness it's going to have some red and black twisted together just like this, which will go and connect over to here. Red to this purple yellow, black to the black wire. Just kind of cut this shielding open, allow you to solder to the purple and black wire. So again, our harness is going to come back through here. You'll see red and black wires attached. You're simply going to connect it there.